and CV2LL Live, Consciousness Bites to Live Light, yet again, yet another Sunday, 9:30 p.m. नहीं हो पाया आज, 9:54 I am here. So, I hope you guys are having a great evening, good time, and enjoying yourselves, celebrating the weekend, somewhere maybe outing or preparing for the, upcoming Christmas and New Year's. Anyway, so what I'm going to talk about today is very interesting, and that is, are you aware that human life is governed by certain laws when you're on the planet? So a human life revolves, not really revolves around, but there are certain laws that need to be followed for a human. Like we know there is every land has a law, So if you go to a new land, if you go to another country, there is a law of that land, right? And so you follow that. You do not break or, go against the law. Otherwise it could be punishable. So in human context, I'm talking about certain laws. When you live your life based on those laws, you actually make your existence very conducive, very livable, very lighter for you and for others, people around you. So there are many laws, but I'm essentially going to talk about 3 laws which do affect a human life on day-to-day basis. And so there is, law of gravity, there is law of resonance, there is Murphy's law. Well, I'm going to talk about Murphy's law. So like I said, there are many laws, but I'm going to particularly talk about 3 laws that affect human existence. And if that can be understood, and if those 3 laws can be understood in a way that how you are supposed to act out, how you're supposed to operate, the life becomes ease, joy, and fun for you. So Murphy's law is all about the more you fear something, the more likely it is to be happening. So fear, it is one of the prominent emotion, and an emotion that many people grappled with. Many people are kind of into that grip or deal with, but they don't know how to transcend it. So that is one essential law that I'm going to talk about. The more you fear something, the more you want something not to be happening for you in life, the more likely it is to be happening. So how can you transcend it? Well, I'm going to give you the tools as well to go beyond the law, Murphy's law, which is about fear. Start operating out of faith. To go to the absolute polarity of it, faith is not the opposite of fear, but it is the other dimension of it. So I wouldn't call it opposite, but it is the other dimension. When you operate out of faith, the fear is in every likelihood diminished and slowly and gradually gone from your life. So fear is something जिसको हम डर बोलते हैं. किसी न किसी चीज का डर हर इंसान को होता है, पर डर के आगे जीत है, राइट? सो डर के आगे जीत नहीं है, डर में ही जीत से मेरा मतलब है डर का सामना करो. फेस द फियर्स unfaced becomes your solid points. Fears unfaced becomes unresolved issues. So face them. That is first law, the Murphy law. There's another law that I'm going to talk about. So who doesn't have problem? Most people have problem and deal with their day-to-day problem. And अगर मैं problem की list बना, I think people will fill up the page with their list of problems. On the other side, अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, what are those things that you're thankful for? Maybe 2, 4, 5, but आप जब list बनाने बैठेंगे तो वो चीजें भी बढ़ जाएंगी. Provided you get onto that, you get onto writing. So for your knowing and better understanding of your own self, make a list of problems that you have. You will see most of the problems are solved while you are writing them. Yes, because writing is a subconscious activity. So most problem, that is why journaling comes into the practice. Journaling comes into the picture. When you start writing your problems, you will see half the problems have vanished, because most problems are created here in your mind. When you write, अरे यार ये इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं जितना मैंने रखा है. Right? So start writing your problems. Half the problems would be out of the window. And then, actually when you're done seeing those problems which are not actually problem, half of the list is gone just by writing it. Now start writing the things that are actually working for you, that you're thankful for, that you have never been thankful for up until now. And then see how the list of gratitude will actually go on ticking all the remaining problems that are on the left side. Try it out. It works beautifully. The next law that I'm going to talk about is the law of knowledge and intelligence. What do I mean by knowledge and intelligence? No, I'm not here talking only about the education, the bookish knowledge, the knowledge that you go out to institutions to gain it. I'm talking about the knowledge of self. The knowledge of that is your greatest knowledge. When you begin to know yourself, when you start actually start diving deeper into your own knowing, when you have that inclination to know about you, about how you function in your life, about how you react in certain situations, about how you react or respond with certain people. When you have that knowing of yours better, you will see your life becomes way, way more better and greater. So these are the 3 important laws. There are very many laws, but these 3 important laws that I've just spoken about, I've also given you the tools. So here is the tool for the last law, which is about the law of knowledge and intelligence. वो इस पे मैं एक tool दूंगी और वो tool है, what can I know about me that I'm unwilling to know? Because there are a lot of things that you are unwilling to know about yourself, that you keep secret, not only from the world, but you keep it secret from your own self. Why do you do that? Why would anybody keep things secret from themselves? Have you thought about it? Well, you keep it secret from yourself. You keep it hiding from your own self so that you don't know about it. Because if you were to know about it, if the secret would come into the light, you will become highly potent. You will become very powerful. And so it is very important that you get to know yourself better, that you get to know yourself into the depths of what you know about you, but you're unwilling to know. So this is a potent question that you can ask. What can I know about myself that I am unwilling to know, that if I allow myself to know, would allow me to step into my true power and potency? So with these 3 laws and the solutions and the tools that I have given here on today's life, make your life better, make your life so much greater that you want to look forward to each day, that you want to wake up each day with that enthusiasm of living. All right. So on this note, have a blissful Monday, have a blissful start of the week tomorrow, and have a great week ahead until I meet you next Sunday, CV2LL, 9:30 or maybe 9:44, 45. And what else is possible? So have a great sleep, have a great start of Monday tomorrow, beat the Monday blues, and have a blissful week. And lots of best wishes, greetings of the seasons to you. Christmas is approaching, New Year's is approaching. Have way too much fun and live your life by these laws. Make your life way more wonderful. Happy 2025 to you. Well, I'm going to meet you before that too, before the New Year's. Bye-bye.